So in this video, I'm going to talk about the one of the very most important news which recently came in the market, and this news was basically regarding the Reliance industry. So this news was about the demerger of the Geo Financial from the Reliance industry, and also that in which date the stock is going to be listed in the stock market. So date has also announced by the Reliance industry. So there are some few information which was released by the Reliance industry itself today in the market, which I'm obviously going to discuss in further video. But before that, I want to show you the stock chart of the Reliance industry. So right now I have opened the day chart of the Reliance industry. As you can see, there is a good momentum if you see compare it day on day. So there is a good momentum in the Reliance industry. This is the daily chart, which was this is the candle of the today's day. So as you can see, the stock has rised up. There you can see the bullish move in this stock, and this bullish move basically because of the demerger of the Geo Financial from the Reliance industry. And this same picture you can see in also in the weekly chart. So in the weekly chart also there is a good momentum in the Reliance industry, as you can see here from so many previous weeks. There is a good momentum in the Reliance industry, and if you can also see same picture in the monthly chart too. So as you can see, this stock is very good quality stock. The stock is very investable stock. If you want to invest in something for long term, Reliance industry is a good option. But nowadays the stock is really trying to like trying to grab some kind of speed from which the stock is rising up. And this news, obviously the reason behind this like upward movement, this bullish movement of the Reliance industry is because of the demerger news. So now let's discuss about the news which was basically released by the Reliance industry itself. So as you can see, the Geo Financial Services to get listed on the stock exchange on the August 21st. So this is the date which was released by the Reliance industry, because in the previous so many days, people and Twitter were really confused, like in which day, on which day this stock Geo Financial is going to be listed in the BSE and NSE. But the Reliance industry today itself, I clear the date. So date is the 21st August. So on this date, this Geo Financial stock is going to be listed in the NSE and BSE in both index. So the moving further, you can see that this paragraph is right here is very important. First of all, I want to read you, and after that, I will going to tell you that what this paragraph is really trying to say here. So the share of the Geo Financial Services, which recently demerged from the parent Reliance industry, will get the listed on the stock exchange on 21st August. Share of the NBFC were credited to the demat account of eligible RIL shareholders last week in 1:1 ratio, which means that for every RIL share held as in one record date of the July 20 shares record, shareholders got the one share of the GFSL. So the stock, the meaning of this paragraph is basically is that the Reliance Industries has already announced the date on which the stock is going to be listed on the exchange. So the date is 21st August. And the second point is that this is about the ratio. If you bought the one share of the Reliance industry, you will going to get the one share of the Geo Financial. So this is the very important news. This is very important point that you should remember. Like if you have bought the 10 shares of the Reliance industry, you will going to get the 10 shares of the Geo Financial stock. And the one more important thing is mentioned here is like is the July 20. So that means that if you bought, like if you buy any stock of Reliance industry before 20th of July, you are eligible for uh, for the geo financial stocks. Like you are going to get the geo financial stock. So if you have bought any stock of the Reliance industry before the 20th July, you will going to get the stock of the geo financial on the basis of this ratio, 1:1 ratio. So like if you have bought one stock of the Reliance industry, you will going to get the one stock of the geo financial. So this is all about this paragraph is trying to say here right now, and this is the basic news which was released by the geo Reliance industry today itself in the market. And moving further, the thing which I want to talk about is that the pre-listing price of this stock was almost around to 61.85 per share. And if we compare the same price with the like estimate brokerage, like the brokerages also have estimate some certain kind of listing price. So their estimate price, their average price was almost around 190 rupees, because a few people also estimate that the price is going to be between something like from 200 to 160 150, but the averages came out to be the 190. So this was the estimate price, pre-listing price, listing price from the brokerages. But the pre-listing price which actually came is almost like so much higher than the predicted price. So the pre-listing price of the Geo Financial is almost around to 61.85 per shares. So this is the pre-listing price. It's not the listing price that you should remember that. It's the pre-listing price here right now we are talking about. And now, this is the one of the most important things right here, which is written right here, that the NBFC's market capitalization therefore came to rupees 1.66 lakh crore, or about $20 billion. So it means after the listing of this company is going to be worth almost 1.66 lakh crores, and in the dollars, it's going to be the $20 billion. So the valuation of the company is so much that this company is going to become the second largest NBFC in the India, and also going to be the 32nd most valued company, which is going to be the bigger than the giants like the Tata Steel, Coil India, SDFC Life, and SBFC Life. So this company, after the listing of the Geo Financial, this stock is going to beat all these stocks in the terms of the capitalization, and going to book the second largest slot of the SBFC and the market in the terms of market capitalization. And the first number is booked by the Bajaj Finance with a market cap of almost rupees 4.2 lakh crores. And the second position right now is like occupied by the Cholamandalam Finance Investment, and because their market cap is almost around 38,000 crores. But after the listing of the Geo Financial, the second slot is going to be booked by the Geo Financial, because their total market cap is almost around 1.66 lakh crores. So it is more than the market cap of the Cholamandalam Finance Industries. So yeah, so this is what is going to happen. This is going to happen after the listing of the stock. Like after the listing, this stock is going to book the second slot of the second largest SBFC and NBFC's market capitalization. Cholamandalam Finance is going to be come to the third position in the terms of market capitalization in the market, the exchange. So this was all about my today's video. Hope you like it. Hope you're able to understand the news. News very important from the perspective of the Reliance industry, because this news is obviously going to affect this stock of the Reliance industry right here. As you can see, the Reliance industry really trying to make continue the very good momentum. This stock is nowadays showing the very good bullish moves, and basically because of this news, basically because of the news of the demerger. So you should understand that this news is really going to affect this stock in a very big way. So you should buy the stock, and after that, it's upon you that whether you want to invest in this relax industry or not. But the stock is very good quality stock, for also for long term purpose, also for short term purpose, and now it is very good time to buy this stock. So this was all about my today's video. Hope you like it. Hope you will do this. Thank you.